I'm going to show you guys how to make a bean buddy. In order to make a bean buddy, you're only going to need 4 things. Some beans, like this one. It's a chickpea or garbanzo bean. You can also use black beans or even a pea or even a piece of corn. But the important thing is that the beans are dry, like these ones. Usually dry beans come in a bag, or if you have them, you can use beans from a seed packet like this. So I have my beans, some water, a paper towel or a napkin, and a plastic bag. The first thing I'm going to do is get my paper towel wet. Okay, I've got it soaking wet now. I'm going to squeeze out some of the water until it's just damp. Now, put the paper towel inside the bag. Then, take 1 or 2 of your dried beans and put them inside the bag with a paper towel. Now I'll just close the bag up like this. I've got my beans in there and my wet paper towel. The water from the paper towel is going to help the seeds or the beans start to germinate, which means they'll start to grow. So the other thing I need to give them to make sure that they grow is some sunlight. So you can either put the bag outside or you can tape it to a window inside. If you're growing your bean buddy indoors, you can just tape it to a window like this. I decided to do 3 different types of beans for my bean buddies so that it could be a science experiment to see which one of these beans germinates the fastest. Will it be the peas, the garbanzo beans, or the black beans? We'll see. Good luck making your bean buddy, everyone. And remember to stay hydrated. In my experiment, the next day, my garbanzo beans in the top bag were the first to grow roots, but a few days later, all the other seeds caught up. Thanks for watching this episode of Virtual Garden Club. It's been really nice and all. Anyway, what I was trying to say is, I'll see you later.